Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back. I am in my favorite place this morning. Favorite, favorite place, guys. I am at the flea market. This guy's here. We have a lot of beautiful flowers. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. I don't know how it's tough. So luscious. Look at those flowers. Oh my God. Oh, there's this light smell to it. You name it, that guy have it here. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And also, guys, it is so froggy today. Very. I came to have some good time here and buy what I like. Thank you guys for watching.